Hi guys, it's Megan Magistyle and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel and you want to see more videos from me, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell below. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how do I DIY or how do I crafted my clothes without sewing machine, with no sew, and without glue, just cutting. So let's get started. So I will be using this stretchable old cloth to start my crafting. I will be creating a cute crop top. Obviously, I need the top part of the fabric to make it. Thus, I cut it halfway. And charan! Done cutting it, and after that, I proceed to pinning it using safety pins. So I guess one small pin is enough to pin it, because the fabric is thin. But before that, I need to revert it to have a clean design, because I will be designing it using the pins or the safety pins. I hold the edge of the bottom area up to the top area of the cloth and pin it. So let's wait the pinning process. Jaran! I know it seems that there's nothing special on this crop top, but let us see when I finish it already. So I will be cutting the edge of the fabric, which I would use as the lace of the crop top. Done! And I will tie it here underneath my so-called design. Or, I'm going to pin it again using another pin. So okay, let's tie up the lace. And again, wait up the process of finishing it. So we're almost done, and I decided not to talk anymore on my try-on portion. Next is this beaded dress, and yes, I will be cutting it again, halfway. So it's okay even though it's not a polished or clean cut. Just cut it the way you wanted to cut it. And done! So this time I need the bottom part of the fabric, as I will turn it to cute skirt. So I reverted it again, like before, because I will be designing it almost like before also. So I will be pinning it again, but now from side to another side. Okay, let's wait the pinning process. Done! And after this, I will be cutting 2 small strips of fabric. And this time, I will use it as the laces of my skirt. Okay, done, and let's tie it up from side to another side. So, done. Okay, next top. So I will be using this top area of the fabric and pin it from side to another side. So let's pin it. And lace it up. Okay, done. So last but not the least is this leggings. So oops. So actually I made this long time ago and I just added it here. So this is so easy, you just need to cut a hole and wear it. Then add the shoelace and done. You're done. That's all for today, guys, and I hope that you learned something from me again. So if you guys want another video like this, please comment down below and make sure that you click the thumbs up and subscribe button below. Bye. See ya.